Hi everyone. In video, we will guide you on automatically hiding desktop icons on Windows 11 or 10. For this, you can use a third-party freeware tool, AutoHideDesktopIcons. AutoHideDesktopIcons is not only free, but it is also a portable utility that automatically hides desktop icons when they are not in use. It also allows you to configure the time elapse after moving the mouse cursor away from the desktop or mouse idle time on the desktop before the program automatically hides all desktop icons. AutoHideDesktopIcons comes pre-configured and is ready to use. AutoHideDesktopIcons automatically hides desktop icons with the default settings if you move the mouse cursor away from the desktop for 5 seconds. Still, you can set your own time by moving the slider. To see the hidden icons on the Windows 11 10's desktop, you can do the following. Click left mouse button on the desktop. Click right mouse button on the desktop, or click mouse middle button on the desktop. You can download the AutoHideDesktopIcons freeware tool from SoftwareIC website. All the required links are provided in this video description.